Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Brawl of the Wild, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 5, Dog Jail Blues. Meanwhile, welcome to your new home, Dogman. You won't need this coloring here, because nobody ever leaves this place. Meet your fellow inmates. It looks like you don't fit in very well with the dogs. Maybe you're too much of a man. Oh well, you better get some rest. We've got a tough night ahead of us. Here's your cell. I'll be back in an hour to tie you up to my dog sled. Meanwhile...
Okay, gang, we've got a lot of things to do, so let's split to 2 teams. You guys rescue Dogman, and we'll catch the crook. Let's go save the world!
Hey, ADC, I think I have a plan. Ready? Lil Petey and ADC are go!
Meanwhile...
Hi, Papa!
Kid!
Oh, cool! Did you make that bee?
Yeah.
Can I ride on it?
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know. My blueprints are flawless.
This part should be centimeters, not millimeters. And you forgot to carry it too. And you need filters on those air ducts or they'll clog the fans.
Alright, Mr. Smarty Pants. I guess I'll make some adjustments.
I'll help.
Why are you helping me? You know I'm the bad guy, right?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
Hey, Papa, do you want to hear a joke?
No! And don't change the subject!
Okay, what do you get when you cross a chicken with a monkey?
I don't know. What do you get?
Diarrhea!
That doesn't even make sense! And that wasn't a joke, that was a riddle! It's not funny! Meanwhile... Okay, Dogman, up and at 'em. It's time to pull my dog sled to the top of the mountain. But don't worry, it's only 80 miles. You see, I've come up with a very sneaky scheme. Once a week, I collect all the dog poop from the jail, and then you guys pull it up the mountain to this fertilizer factory at the top. Then I sell it and keep all the money for myself. Now mush! He's a misfit. You'll never be a real man. You don't fit in well with the dogs. Maybe you're too much of a man. Because you're too much of a dog. Chapter 6. Even more stuff happens. Meanwhile... Come in. ADHD! Dogman is in big trouble. I don't know what you're trying to say! Fliporama. Ready? So you want me to help you bust Dogman out of jail? That's illegal. That's dangerous. That's irresponsible. It goes against every law I've sworn to uphold. Let's do it! Oh boy, this is gonna be great! Meanwhile...
Hey, Papa, do you want to hear another joke?
No, I do not!
Oh, come on. It's a super good one.
No! I'm getting tired of your made-up jokes!
This one's not made up. I got it from a book.
I said no!
Okay, what did Batman get for Valentine's Day?
It better not be diarrhea.
It isn't. Seriously, he didn't get diarrhea.
Alright then. Let me think. Okay, I give up. What did he get?
Diarrhea.
That joke didn't come from a book! Meanwhile...
What we do?